many yore mopogore opogore mag medo yuto maggi. Koloso ikruok ne odiechieng' riwruoge mag Saga mabiro timore dwe mar 7 higani. Jagoro e Migago mar teko Patrick Kilemi owacho ni timo kamano biro konyogi chung' kar kendgi kendo kungo ne jokanyo maggi. Sekta mar riwruoge mag pacho kaendi miyo piny Kenya maromo trilion 1.6 higa ka higa.
We are looking at how we can aggregate our people, may it be in fishing, may it be in mining, artisanal mining, to cooperatives, so that when they get their product to the market, there is no urgency to death of the product.
The bill that is already gone to the cabinet is going to strengthen the structures of the cooperatives, so that the governance will be reviewed and strengthened to the point that if there is any mismanagement of resources of the people through the bad governance, we are not going to surcharge them, but we are going to recover.